There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not to
Materials needed are paper, scissor, thread, glue gun or Felcone. First, we're gonna take the sheets and cut them into circles like I've done here. I have made different sizes of circles with different types and colors of sheets. So in this step, we're going to take the scissors and one of the circles and cut all around the circle in a wavy pattern. If you don't understand, just follow me.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well.
Like this. And now I'm going to take this corner and start rolling it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are.
Now we have a beautiful flower pattern. We're going to loosen it up a bit, and on the bottom where we left a few space, we're going to apply the glue or the glue gun and stick it. I'll show you when it's done. So guys, our flower is ready. You can make many such flowers and stick them on a thread and make a wall hanging out of it. Goodbye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where